Hey, what's up you guys? Yes, I'm Kristina from Leafy Luster, and today I put on way too much makeup and did my hair, but I feel so cute, and I think that's maybe a little overkill for the DIY that I have planned today. I want to turn this Växxer thing from Ikea into a really cute greenhouse. I don't use it anymore for the hydroponic system that it was meant to be, to grow like salad in your kitchen or something. That's not really efficient. I bought some supplies and I hope that we can make it today. I have no idea how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to try and you are going to witness it, hopefully. So let's go. And then look, I got all this glitter and like a really bad eyeliner. Okay, let's go. This is the situation at the moment. We've got these two stories. There's actually like a metal thing in here as well, and then we have the bottom part and this. So this is the whole outside, and I would love to close this whole thing up so I can really like bump up the humidity in there. First off, I need to clear out all the plants, and then I can start planning, measuring and showing you what I got as like supplies. We have this whole piece right here. Now I can hopefully figure out a game plan how I want to assess this whole project. It will be great, I swear. I've got my emptied out Växxer right here. I cleaned it a little bit, took everything out, and then we got these supplies. I ordered some stuff which I think will be enough to transform this into a greenhouse. The main part is this foil right here. This is actually something that you would use if you renovate your house and need to close a door with like foil, and then you want to make a makeshift opening in there. This is what I hope will be enough foil to cover the whole outside, and then the two zippers that I included will be the door. I just got something to measure stuff, to cut stuff, some double-sided tape. I have a rough idea how I want to do it, but I think I'm heading to the drawing board to figure out a plan and measure everything and then see how it goes. All done, we have everything measured. This is how it's going to be. So hear me out. This is the game plan. Two fronts, two sides that are all connected the whole way around, and hopefully I can cut this out all in one piece. Obviously I could just build a whole sleeve that goes on top of everything and just like put it on, and this will be the greenhouse. But I want to preserve this nice dark color of this metal, so I want to put the foil from the inside. Just looks nicer, I think, and more high quality, even though this is an extremely low budget transformation. I have everything planned out. Hopefully I didn't make like a mistake in my brain. I think I have only one shot at this, so let's make some permanent choices and hope I don't ruin everything, right? Right? That's fun. Okay, let's go. I haven't unpacked this yet either, so let's see. How to close a door. Who needs instructions anyways? And then we've got this foil. Oh. Okay, so the zipper is already built in. I haven't...
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I thought the zipper would be to like glue on. Okay. Is it glued on? Oh, it's already pre-cut as well. Okay, so this will be a game changer. Okay, I've got a new game plan. I didn't think it through very well, but we're just going to cut and then see what we can do with it. The problem is the zippers are too far apart. We'll have to move one zipper closer to the middle, I think. We'll have to see about that. God damn it! For length, we need in total 175 centimeters. Oh my goodness, I need a pen. I'm kinda afraid we're going to cut straight across. Is this really? I don't know. our first cut off piece. We're going to continue by cutting right here, I believe. Yes. Okay. I mean, it's so nice to cut. Oh my gosh. Okay. I would need to cut here as well. This is terrible. Okay, we made the first cuts and it feels terrible. I have no idea what I'm doing. And yeah, let's see and try and fit it to the metal. Also, everything is so big. I don't know how to like handle everything. So, as you can see, I want this zipper right here, this black piece. Sorry. This black piece I want to be on the left side, and then I originally wanted a zipper on this side so I could fold it up to open it. Obviously now this side is way too long. I will try and attach the zipper just on top of it. I'm dying. This might actually work. I'm not sure, but it might actually work. The only thing is I'm still not sure how to handle it like inside. Like putting it over top is easy, but from the inside it's kind of difficult to handle. It would go something like this. Oh my goodness, how am I going to do this on my own? This is way more difficult than I thought. But it's also fun, but it's also difficult. I really don't know how to approach this properly. 63.5 till here. I need to draw this again. Am I too stupid for this? I don't know. I just can't imagine it. I have to draw it. I'm too dumb. I'm going to cut it out with paper just so my imagination can handle it. Okay. I'm freaking scared. I'm not going to get anywhere if I don't start cutting things. Does it have to be a straight line? Yes. Did I mark it with like something straight? No. So I have marked the places that I need to cut. Okay. This wasn't bad at all. I've got this right now. I think I'm going to glue it with like some washi tape just to see. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. It would be really cool if it did work. For now, it's looking kind of grim, but I'm doing my best, I swear. Listen, that's not even bad. That's at least remotely the shape that I want it to be. Oh my gosh. It's a disaster. I haven't done a DIY in so long. It's actually kind of fun. I don't know why I'm not doing this more often. I guess laziness. Playing video games is also fun, but doing something like this is also really fun and kind of challenging, but that's nice. I've got this. Send help, please. I had a little lunch break and now we're back to business. We've got our shortened piece right here. Now I need to attach the other piece to that, like that. And then this whole piece I will fold already and then try to fix it from the inside. Pretty sure someone could do this better than me because I'm not measuring everything perfectly correct. It's not really 90-degree edges and perfect straight lines, so I'm kind of nervous how this will turn out. For example, this cut right here, if you can see, is not really straight, but it's fine, that's fine. I'm very nervous. My options are limited. I want the zipper to start here, 36.8. What we are going to do is measure from this zipper edge to this outer edge, approximately 36.8. Then I will glue this part on top. I think I'm gonna change another thing. I'm just going to glue it to the 1/2. Glue it on properly. It's so fun. have my finished piece. I don't know. I'm going to line the inside of the Växxer with the tape and then go from there. Put it on the inside of the beams with the transparent tape. Because everything is kind of see-through, I don't want like to see some white stripes from the inside. I want it to be all like black and nice. Taping this inside is probably the most fun part, definitely. Maybe also a lining on this metal tray. I've got everything lined, as you can see, all the way around. I'm kind of over it right now, but we are already in this so far, so we are going to finish it. Good, so now we have our side. Oh my god, okay. Really just want to finish this. It's really taken me the whole Sunday. But if I'm going to have a nice greenhouse at the end, it will be fine, I guess. I still don't know how I'm going to attach this whole thing inside. That's good. I also need to glue this one and then we're kind of finished. Might have to open it for this one. Ah, yes. I think this doesn't even look half bad. It's so hot, I'm going to melt. Maybe I'm able to finish it before it gets dark. This would be great. I never thought this day would come. I think I'm pretty much done now, so I only need to fit it into the Växxer. And maybe I should clean up a little bit before that. It is supposed to go inside like this. The smartest way would be probably to start from the top so it holds itself up. This is okay, I guess. How do I say this nice? This is the worst work that I ever had to do. I mean, I probably could have avoided this by measuring everything correctly and just like doing it a little bit better. But you know, now it's just a pain in the ass. It's horrible. I'm telling you, this is no fun at all. Okay, listen, it was a nightmare. It's kind of how I imagined it to be, minus like poor execution. I think it turned out pretty mediocre. It's a little bit ugly from the outside, it's a lot more ugly from the inside, but nonetheless I think it will work fine as a greenhouse. It's just a little bit janky, but you know, it's a piece of art. You know, it's a piece of art, so yeah, I might fix it up with a little bit more hot glue or something, because hot glue fixes every problem. Then it's done. I will put some props in there and maybe some plants that need a little bit higher humidity. I succeeded in my mission to make a greenhouse out of it. I probably could have just bought a really cheap tiny greenhouse from Amazon. I don't know if I would recommend anyone doing it too. If you think I wasted my Sunday, then let me know in the comments. If you think it's kind of cool, also let me know. And yeah, I will give you a little tour of it. I have this Philodendron Brandtianum in my glass dome, but it's getting too big for the dome. I was dying to get a new humid place for it. Oh my gosh, look at this aerial root. Do you see this? How long it is? What? Okay, so this will definitely be going in here. It needs a support. I want to put in this Philodendron Splendid because it will probably do even better in there. And then some small propagation. Okay, these are all the plants that I'm putting in for now. I think they will all benefit from the extra humidity, and I'm also putting in a little humidifier so I can keep you posted on how it's going and if it has too many holes and the humidity isn't going up or anything. In the end, I think it doesn't look half bad. I'm happy with it. I know that this video wasn't really helpful to anyone because it's by no means a tutorial. If you think I wasted my whole Sunday by doing this, then maybe leave a like or a comment or subscribe. And until next time, enjoy your plants. Bye! I will leave those 2 videos right here for you to watch if you want to see more of me or my plants. Thank you if you made it this far. You're an absolute hero.